So, hello guys, welcome to my channel. So, today we'll be seeing this topic called how to set up Google Web Stories on website through WordPress. So, if you have noticed lately, you might have come across some stories feature that Google has come up with. So, if you have been searching for some contents or anything on Google, and if you have been able to notice a feature where some stories pops up and you can play around it, you can scroll, you can view. So yeah, that's Google Web Stories that Google has just released few months back, and so we are getting lots of interested ones. The people are seem to getting interested in this, and this might be a game changer for uh, websites as well. So yeah, let's see how to set up Google Web Stories on website through WordPress. So it's quite simple. All you need to do is you need to go over to your WordPress dashboard and just go to plugins, and let me remove this for now. All right, just add new, and you'll be able to search for web stories. All right, so once you search this, you'll see a plugin that's by Google itself. So it has good installations and it has good ratings. So that means people are already using it. So yeah, so I've already installed it and I've already activated it. So all you can do is simply install and activate, and let's see what's next. So after installing, you'll be able to see a section called stories, and you can simply click over there. And this is the dashboard for web stories by Google. So it's pretty simple. If you are familiar with tools like Canva or Trello, you'll be able to create stories within minutes. And Google Web Stories works quite well in your website, in your WordPress. So the confusion most of the people has is that they think the Google Web Stories will appear inside your website, just like in Facebook or Instagram or Snapchat, anything. So it's quite different than that. So once you create the web stories, you'll get a chance, or your stories will get a chance to get featured in Google Discovery or something in Google Search or Google Images. So it can appear anywhere, and Google will automatically select it based on how informative it is, how relevant it is, or is it worth showing to different users. So it all depends upon how you prepare your content, because everybody knows content is the key, content is the king, and content is what everyone needs, and that's how Google works these days. So yeah, so once you go to your stories, you'll see lots of settings here. You can explore your settings. I'll not be discussing about the settings at the moment. I'll simply start creating a story, and now just click on create new story. So this is a dashboard inside your WordPress backend. So first, I have this workspace where I'll be able to preview or see what I am actually doing. So there are lots of options in the right hand side, or this working area where you can change background color, where you can insert background media, you can insert text, you can insert a new page, or let's say new story, and you can duplicate page. So first of all, let's see what features are available. So first one is we get random our uploads. So we can use every format. We can use images, we can use videos, we can use text, we can use links. So we can use a variety of content in our web stories. So the first one I have is I can use my images that I have already uploaded. So let me check or on images. So let me pick this one. All right. Okay, so let me choose this image for now. So my image is all set. Let me recenter it. All right, my image is all set. So now what next? Now you can hover to your other medias that you can use. So this is from the Google's third-party integration. You can simply use it. Let me also pick one of these. Yeah, so I have picked one of these. I can also use it. All right. So you can also do that. You can simply search for whatever types of images or backgrounds you're looking for, and you can simply insert it from there. Apart from that, you can also use videos, you can use GIF, you can stickers. So you have lots of varieties that you can play around. So you can also pick videos, and the video will for now, I just need to click on play and it'll play for now, or else it'll play randomly once we publish this video. All right, so let me also insert this video for now. All right, this looks a bit complicated story design, but this is just an example. Let me fix this. All right. Okay, so now what next? Now let's see the text. So we can simply use the pre-formatted or default text stylings given over here. You can simply select it from here, or we can simply use some text templates from below. All right, so you can pick any one. Let me pick this one for now. All right, so I have chosen a text template. Let me remove some unnecessary areas. I can simply click on that and I can simply click delete. All right. Okay, so if you want to play around with these elements that comes with the preset, you can simply click on that and you can simply change its color or do whatever you want to. Okay, let me set this to red. All right, so you can simply click on text, you can edit it, you can change the font size, or you can change the text styles. So that's it. All right, let me delete this also. All right, looks good. Yes, so our text is done. You can also use other text formats. And what next? So we had shapes and stickers that you can also use. Okay, and other shopping. So this shopping is something different. So if you are using WooCommerce or any other platforms for creating an e-commerce or for showing your shop on your website, then you'll be able to tag your products. So for now, I don't have any such WooCommerce or anything in this website, so I won't be able to use the product feature. And last but not the least, we have page templates. So if you are not sure on how to start, you can simply choose from templates. So let me delete all of this for now. Now I can simply click on one of the templates and I can work around it. So for now I have two pages. This template comes with two pages. So let me delete this one. So I have this template for now. I can simply replace the images or delete it or replace images. So let me replace this image with mine. Yes, so I can double click on the image and recenter my image. All right, looks good. Yes, and now finally coming towards the end. So after styling, sorry, after adding all the elements, what I can do is I can change the page background color. I can customize page backgrounds. So this doesn't look good. White is okay. So it completely depends on how creative you are or how you edit your templates. So it all depends on how you do it. And finally, if you have some other settings that you want to look, you can simply pick from documents like the visibility. So when do you want to publish? So who's the author for this story? So if you want any to represent any logo or any company, you can simply pick your business logo. So set as poster image. So this will be my default poster image before the story loads. I will see the preview later on. After that, story description. So what this talks about, write anything you want to. This is more like a caption or a description. So permalink. So if you want to give a link to the story, so you can simply enter it here. So let's write text for now. All right, permalink is done. And what next? So page advancement. So you can set the story duration also, or you can, sorry, this manual isn't loading at the moment. So yes, so auto. I guess this is a bug inside this Google Web Story because manual needs to have this option, but it's coming while we're going towards auto. So nevertheless, you can set the duration in page advancement. After that, background audio. If you have any audio file, you can upload it, or if you have any audio file somewhere, you can simply link to your audio file. So taxonomies is more like giving tags and categories. So I can put it onto digital marketing or anything. So yeah, so tag is basically defining which tag consists this stories. So this is it, guys. So we have done everything. We have set our elements. We have set our images. We have made our templates. We are all good. Now, all I need to do is I can give a call to action. So I haven't yet set a call to action. So if someone, let's say, if someone gets to see your story, web stories by Google, and if they are interested in your content and in your business or product or services, then we can convince them or we can influence them to take an action, and they will be able to go to your website. So yes, guys, let me pick my website and let me set it as call to action. So the call to action text, so it's more formatable, so you can play around, because if we see some other call to action tools in like Google ads or Facebook ads, Instagram ads, we won't be able to edit our call to action button name, but this provides that option, so that's a good thing. So qualify outbound links. So whether you want to give this link as an outbound link or not. So whether you want to tag it as a sponsored link, or you can give it a no follow link. It's more like a SEO stuff. So if you're familiar with SEO, you can pick these options also. So nevertheless, our story is all set. So before publishing, if you want to make sure how it looks, then you can simply preview a story. All right. So this is how my story looks. So learn more is the call to action that we set, right? Looks good. Yes. And if you publish it, the story will get published. So yes, guys, thank you so much. Uh, so this is the format, and yes, subscribe. Thank you. Bye bye.